I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to start page 1 on a different page in Microsoft Word. Step 1. Open your Microsoft Word document and place your blinking cursor at the very end of the page that comes right before the page where you want your page number 1 to start. For example, if you want page 1 to start on the third page, click at the bottom of the second page. Step 2. Click Layout in the top menu bar, click Breaks, and then select Next Page under the Section Breaks category. This splits your document into two separate administrative sections. Step 3. Scroll down to the page where you want page number 1 to appear and double-click the header or footer area where you plan to put the number. This opens the Header and Footer menu tab. Step 4. Look at the top menu bar and find the Link to Previous option. Click Link to Previous to turn it off, which unlinks the footers and prevents numbering from showing up on your earlier pages. Step 5. While still in the Header and Footer menu, click Page Number on the left side, and then click Format Page Numbers. Step 6. Look at the bottom of the window that pops up, select the bubble next to Start At, and then type a number 1 in the box. Click OK. Step 7. Finally, click Page Number again. Choose your preferred placement like top of page or bottom of page and select the style. Your page 1 will now start exactly on your chosen page, leaving the previous pages blank or open for different numbering styles. If you ever decide you want to use Roman numerals or letters for your introductory pages instead of leaving them completely blank, you can easily do that too. Simply double-click the header or footer area of your first section, go to Page Number, and select Format Page Numbers. From there, change the Number Format drop-down menu to Roman numerals. Set it to Start at 1 and insert the page numbers into that first section. The two sections will remain completely independent. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.